Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra, and I would like to thank Prep Ladder for giving me this opportunity to speak to you at a stage where there are so many news every day disturbing us. I have written down 10 points as my perspective. Number one, we are human beings and we must stay active and we must keep thinking every day how to fight it out. Very, very important because this is a sign of being alive. Point number one. Point number two, we all are blessed to do something, but we must evolve to attain the higher purpose. This is called as discovering how and what in your life. Point number two. Third point. These times have specifically summarized our life that opportunities and calamities they can come in a flash and change your life. But you must be absolutely prepared to handle it. Very, very crucial. Point number four, we must sleep with and get up with. Sleep with what? That what we have done today, with peace in our minds. Get up. Why? We must learn to identify our passion and our mission. And if we know that, what's our passion and what's our mission, we'll probably know in which direction to progress. Point number five, whatever you doubt, whenever you doubt, learn to kill the doubt, not what you always wanted to do. Point number six, there are two types of things in this world. One, what you control. Two, what you don't control. Example, rain, you don't control. Carrying an umbrella, you control. But never choose not to go for a walk because of the rain. Because you need to have the courage to walk. And for the people who know Hindi, these are the lines by Nida Fazli ji. सफ़र में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो, सभी है राह में शामिल, जो तुम संभल सको तो चलो, किसी के वास्ते मंजिलें कहाँ बदलती हैं, तुम खुद को ढाल सको तो चलो, सफ़र में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो. It is extremely, extremely important. Anxiety, one of the commonest psychiatric feature, I will say, in the world. Everybody has it. But what does anxiety teach us? Anxiety teaches us that there is a timeline and a deadline to things. And we must learn to live with this anxiety. Because as we learn to do that, we will become more and more accustomed to the realities of life. Nobody will escape anxiety. And when you are living, especially in India, where every second day a news will come, your exams will be delayed, it's okay to get anxious. But then we have to learn to handle it. Next, mental strength is extremely important. And in way, it is not less than the physical strength. I wish we really had mental gyms as much as we have the physical gyms in the nation or in the world. We have to understand what I saw in Family Man 2. The strongest thing in the world is the human brain. You need to learn to handle it. Point number 9. We all want to be ready for the occasion, but we are never ready. You are given a chance. With more time, get ready. But I can assure you, you still will not be ready. But try to do the things which are always required. Remember the basic essentials. And the last one, it is not the destination that matters. What matters is the whole journey, because it is the process that will make you stronger. INICET postponed, the exams of NEET not announced, the COVID waves coming up and down. Each one is a storm. And you, as doctors, have to tune yourself to handle these storms. One of the basic things which I want to tell you here is, amongst everything, the first question you need to ask, am I going to the hospital and serve the patients? Or am I going to prepare for the entrance exam? This is an extremely personal choice. There is no guideline. There will be a doctor which will tell you, go and serve. There will be a doctor inside you who wants to upgrade his degree and prepare for entrance. This decision does not come as black and white. This you will have to take. Only you. Whatever you feel is correct, take that decision and follow it. You must definitely speak to your family and friends. Number 2, do not be so much involved with the social media and the news. Be aware of what is happening. But trust me, so much of negativity in the news or on the social media on a personal basis has never done any good to me. And I believe that it will not do any good to any one of us. We must try positivity. 10 minutes of exercise, 10 to 15 minutes of music, 10 to 15 minutes of talking to your friends and teachers is something that will get you on track. And that is what I spoke about, the mental strength. Many of us, almost all of us, have lost our dear ones. But as doctors, you have to be ready the next moment. It's just like two patients in an emergency. and you try to resuscitate the first, the success is not there. You have to overcome your emotions and move on to the next and treat it as a new patient. Each day in a doctor's life, you will have to make those choices. Develop that strength to handle it. And for that, you need a positive frame of mind. Do you think the exam pattern will change? It can't. The exam patterns cannot change. The basic topics will be the same. Yes, I agree. With the technology coming up, you will have more images, some short videos. That's a part and parcel. But what is more important, more significant, is that you must be ready to understand that every day you set a target, and when you sleep with a peace that we have read these important topics, and when you get up next morning, you know that this is what you have to do. I think we must start living day by day. All my students always tell me, sir, थोड़ा टाइम और होता, we would have done better. So my friends, that thoda time is there. Do it. There are so many things that Prep Ladder has changed, has got you QBank 3.0. The exams have been reinvented. Practice them. And as my very close friend, Dr. Gobind Raigar says, try to find out your shortcomings on those exams. Note them down and try to improvise on them. Classically, you have to understand the topics of significance are unaltered for decades. Every year, people have a feeling that new drugs will come, new things will come, and they are not even a small or significant proportion. They will never be. Also, having a speculation, when will the next come, when will the NEET PG end, these are just going to be notices. But still then, never ever in the history of entrance exams in my nation, a student who has prepared those important topics well has not qualified. They always qualify. So my friends, let's try to imbibe positivity. Let's try to help each other in these difficult times. And remember, human beings can just overcome anything. Just anything. Now, we will talk about some questions asked. The commonest question asked here is, when will INI CET occur? Supreme Court ruling is, after 15 July, AIIMS can conduct this exam. We all know the same thing. Nothing changes. Second point, will there be a next in 2022? I have no idea. There is absolutely no idea. But what I want to tell you is, for last 3 years, we have noticed that the clinical science, clinically relevant questions, basic procedures have been asked. And they indicate that more and more clinical and integrated questions are coming. And that is why Prep Ladder has done this initiative of integrating things together. So, this is what you must learn. If you do integrated things together, you save time, you become more efficient, and more importantly, you are doing what is latest. So, this is what you must practice. Also, friends, my suggestion is, let's talk about a proper strategy for the exam rather than talking when the exam will be. Any session of ortho before NEET PG, I have already uploaded a video for complete revision that is available. 100 points in orthopedics. You can go to YouTube, you will find it. That is absolutely sufficient for revision. The important topics, the third commonly asked question. The list of important topics is already there on the Prep Ladder site. Follow that. How to deal with breakup during the preparation. We have made a 20-minute video, me and Dr. Gobind Raigarh sir in Men in Black, that talks about how to handle the emotional turmoil. Do watch it. It is one of the most watched video. How to handle stress. Life is all about handling stress. If you are able to do that, there is no doubt that you will excel in life and progress. And one comment is, go to Marva memes. So that's something which will handle your stress. Right? NEET PG date has not been announced. I love you all for the messages who have written. Love you all. And I again thank Prep Ladder for giving this chance. What I have done, I have just told you, help each other, stay positive, make a schedule. You have a chance, prepare well, and attempt mock test. They are the best way to get you on track. Trust me, people who are preparing at this time are the guys who are going to be there in the list when the result comes. You know what? One of the classic thing, most of the people who do well, you won't find them on the social media. And all the best to you. May God keep your family and you safe, and may you all rise and shine. We all teachers of the globe and also of the Prep Ladder family pray for your well-being. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra. I am signing off. Thank you very much. May God bless you all. And I always speak these lines. I will again repeat them before I leave. तू दौड़ में अव्वल आए ये ज़रूरी नहीं, तू सबको पीछे छोड़े ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं, ज़रूरी है तेरा दौड़ में शामिल होना, ज़रूरी है तेरा गिर कर खड़े होना। ज़िंदगी में बहुत से मकाम आएंगे, आज जो आगे हैं कल पीछे छूट जाएंगे। ज़रूरी है तेरा लड़ते रहना, और उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है तेरा बढ़ते रहना। Thank you very much. Bye bye.